Children, Sairam. All are fine? Very good. Very sweet of you, my dear all children. Okay? Because why you're doing all your homeworks very nicely. Oh, very good. So big clap for all my lovely children. Okay? Happy? See, you two will dance now like this steady. What is this? It's a Winnie the Pooh. Sorry. Yes, like this Winnie the Pooh. Correct? Yes. Ready? All are happy? Yes. Okay. Shall we go for today's session? Excellent. Today we are going to see English. Happy? Yes, na children? Areva? Very good. See, actually this topic is well known for you. If I say the heading, you will say, yes teacher, we remember. Shall we see what is the heading? Today, we are going to see the topic, mark which is different. See, in this picture also, you have seen so many fruits, correct? Yes or no? You're seeing so many fruits here, half-cut fruits and a small size of watermelons, a full fruit, all are there here. Correct, na children? Okay? Which is different from this, we are going to pick them out. And we are going to mark it. Okay? Happy? Yes. Understood the concept, children? Very nice. Now, see here. We have how many roses? 4 roses and 1 book. Which is different here? Book. Yes. 1 book is different from others because all 4 are flowers. And this is a 5th one is a book. So what is that? Which is different here? Book. Book is different from other flowers. Okay? Understood? Perfect. Now see here next. What is this? What picture we have here? Apple. 1 apple. 2nd apple. 3rd picture is a crayon. 4th one, an apple. 5th one, an apple. Correct? So, we have 2 apples in between 1 crayon and again we have 2 apples. Correct? So, which one is different here? Crayons. Perfect, children. So, now you understood the concept. Correct? Good. See, one more example. How many of you likes this? Yes. What is that? Picture of a jar. What jar? What is inside? Jam jar. You remember? This is picture of a jam jar. Yes. First we have yellow color. Next is blue. Blue means blueberry. You remember last time we told this? We read this. We learned this. Correct? Okay. So we'll go in the same extent. Yes. First one, yellow is a mango jam jar. Second one, blueberry jam. Third, again blueberry jam. Fourth, blueberry jam. Fifth one, a blueberry jam. Got it? So, which is different here? The first one, yellow, which is a mango. Mango jam is different from other 4 jam. Correct? Okay. Good. And wow, what is that? Gift box and rose. What is that? Gift box and rose. How many gift box here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many we have? 4 gift boxes and 1 rose. The 2 are pink color rose. Yes? Pink, half white, half pink. Yes, color rose here. Okay? So, which one is different in this category? Rose is different. Wow, very good children. Why? Because others are gift boxes and only rose is different from other one. Got it? So, how we will mark this? What is the topic? We should mark, na? How we will mark? Yes, how we will mark? shall we put across? Because which is different. Yes, shall we put across now? Okay, we'll make it up. And now what you are going to do, my sweet children? You are going to take English workbook. Yes, we will do this. This is known for you. Correct? Yes, we did initially also. Yes, children. Very good. Arey wah, superb. Now 3 things what you are going to get? English workbook, pencil, eraser. Done? Excellent. Come. Ready? Okay. In that, we are going to do page number 5 to 52. What is that? Page number 5 to 52. Take page number 5 to 52, children. How you will take it? As I told earlier, how you will take it? Take this. Have this corner like this. Okay? See, my corner is clean. Show me your books too. Is that clean? Arey wah. Very good. Lovely children. So nice. My children are very cute. Good. Taken page number 52. Taken. Oh, good. First what we should do? What we should do? Date. Oh, wow. Lovely children. First write date. What is today's date? 28-9-2020. Done? Okay. And then CW. Done? Okay. Oh, super. Very good. Many of you have done. Done? Yes. Perfect. Now, after writing, what we should do first? We should read the heading. What we should do first? We should write the heading. Yes. Now start reading the heading. Mark which is what? Different. Yes. Mark which is different. See, they have given the words in one side. Yes. The same word should be there on the other side. Which the one word is different from the all the given words. We should mark that. You remember? Yes, we did this initially also. Yes, children. So how we are going to mark? Shall we put across? Because this is different. Yes? Okay. We'll go by 4. Okay. Now, what is the first word? First line. What is there? H-A-T? Hat. Correct. And next word? H-A-T? Hat. Next word given is B-A-T? Bat. Again H-A-T? Hat. Again H-A-T? Hat. So, we should cross B-A-T? Bat. Done. Cross the second word B-A-T? Bat. Done. Perfect. Now, below the word hat, what is that? Tap. T-A-P. Tap. Yes? Okay. What is that first word after the tap? It is P-A-T. Pat. Where we have seen this word? Where we have read this? Yes. Lesson. Correct. In lesson. Correct. So cute, children. P-A-T. Pat. And next is T-A-P. Tap. Again T-A-P. Tap. And again T-A-P. Tap. So which word is different here in the second line? Pat. P-A-T. Pat. So we should give a mark which is we are going to cross it. Pat. P-A-T cross. P-A-T pat, we are crossing it. Done? Okay. Third word. Come to the third line. Below the word tap, what is there? T-I-N, tin. Tin, tin. Yes, okay. And what are all the given words? Tin, tin, ten, tin. See, only one letter is different, but then it is different. Yes, read again. Tin, tin, ten, tin. So we should cross which one? 10. Good children. Now cross the word 10. Very good. Done? Yes. Okay. Now comes the fourth line. What is the first word? Below the word tin, what is there? C-A-N, can. What is that? C-A-N, can. Got it? And next to can, what is the first word given? Cat. C-A-T, cat. So cat, can. So we are going to cross, we are going to mark which word? Cat. Cross it. Done? Yes, good. See, I told you now, this is very easy lesson. You know this also. That is why I told you we will complete very much fast today. Okay? Yes, my dear sweet children. And below the word can, what is that word? R-A-T, rat. Okay, now read the other words here in that rat line. Rat, red, rat, rat. So, which word we will cross? Rod. Cross. Going to cross? Rod. Perfect. Second word done? Okay. And below the word rat, what is that word? Leg. And what are the given words in the leg line? Peg, leg, leg, leg. Where we have seen this word peg? Where we have seen? Yes, this is also in our lesson. We have seen read this in a radiant way. Yes? Okay. Peg, leg, leg, leg. So we will be crossing peg. Yes, children. Now cross it. Done? Now comes the next line. Below that line, leg, what is that? Mug. Now we will read the mug line. Mug, mug, rug, mug. See, when you tell the word, if you say like this, you will not make mistake. Okay, while you are reading itself, if you read like this, you will not make mistake, children. Okay? Okay, see, mug, mug, rug, mug. What is that rug? When winter comes, we used to have a rug, na? Yes, that is called, it's a rug, it's a thick cloth, like a bedsheet. Thick bedsheet is called a rug. Okay? Okay. Now, which is different word here? Rug. Very good. So, cross rug. Lovely, dears. What is the next word? Next line, the below line. Below the word mug line, what is that? Below the word mug, what is it given? Fig. What is fig? Fig is a fruit, you know, right? Okay, now read that fig lines. What are all the words given? Fig, dig, fig, fig. See? Read once more. Fig, dig, fig, fig. What is then that? Fig is not there. Then we have to cross dig. Why this is different from the other given words? So, cross dig. Good. Okay. Now comes the last line. Yes, na? Arre wah. Okay. What is that word? Rap. R-A-P, rap. It's a song. It's a form of a song. Yes? Now start. Wrap, 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 tap. Okay? See? Wrap, 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 tap. So which is different in that wrap line? Tap. Good. So cross, tap. Done? Very good. So all have done? How many? 9 now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, check in your book. You have done all? Yes? Wow. Okay, children. I told you now, this is very easy for you. You have learnt already. So, we will complete this very soon. See, we have completed a page. Okay? Okay, children. See you soon in our next session. Bye-bye, sweet children. Bye.